In this video, we are going to talk about why 0 double equal false gives us true. And we'll also be comparing the loose versus strict equality in JavaScript. So let's have a look at the first green box and see why this one actually gives us the value true. So the double equal sign, also called loose equality, so gives us true for the value 0 being equal to false, although we've got two different data types. But let's have a look at what's happening behind the scenes. So initially, JavaScript checks the two types. It sees that the two types are different. So here it does the conversion, because in this case, the conversion is allowed. And then what happens is that false is converted to the value of 0. Then the values are compared. Because 0 equals 0, I mean 0 is equal to 0, so we get the value true. However, with strict equality, which is the triple equal sign, we get false for that same 0 and false value. That's because JavaScript checks the data types first, and then it sees that 0 is actually a number and false is a Boolean. In that case, it'll stop checking and no conversion happens. It doesn't do the conversion, and that's why we get the result being false. So with loose equality, conversion is happening, and because false is converted to 0. Whereas with the strict equality, there is no conversion. And in this case, that number 0 does not equal to the Boolean value false. So we get false. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.